अबे रुक जाओ। सुन लो, आराम से बैठ जाओ पापा, बैठ जाओ ना आराम से, बैठ जाओ ना। बंद बंद सब बंद।
I, JC Pooja Jain from JCI Guwahati Hunar, wishing a very beautiful good evening to all the respected guests, dignitaries, and all the JCI and non-JCI members. It's my pleasure to extend a cheerful welcome to all. Your presence makes us happy. Now I request JC Manoj Jain, VP Business, to give an introduction about today's event.
Thank you, JC Pooja. Good evening, all the dignitaries, my fellow JC members and participants. I, JC Manoj Jain, VP Business, heartily welcome you all in the mega business event MaxBiz, a trio business event. In the present scenario, all the businesses passing through the challenging times and businessmen have to adapt to survive and thrive despite all odds. It's this base formation that we all have to learn, and that's why JCs have taken this effort to enlighten the entrepreneur, businessmen who are the pivot at the micro level and contribute overall to the macroeconomics of the economy. Pertinent issues dwelt with include survival strategies in the pandemic backdrop, importance of business networking and webbing, steps for economic fitness to lead us from fragile to agile, fiscal and financial stimulus at offer and their rightful uses. This business trio meet will also dwell upon relevant issues like maintaining mental and family health while concentrating on business blues, the unpacking of the acronym Atmanirbhar Bharat for the business fraternity and way ahead. All these topics will be covered by luminaries of the brightest standards with proven and tested success stories. I'm sure this will add to our wisdom and gear us up to the next level from where we can really excel and make our lasting mark in the committee of business world, regardless of the surrounding challenges. Thank you. Over to you, JC Pooja.
Thank you, JC Manoj Jain. Now, I would like to request our long president, JC Nishan Pahadia sir, to give a welcome speech to everyone.
Thank you, JC Pooja. I, in the capacity of President of JCI Guwahati Hunar, welcome you all to this inaugural session of the Trio Business Meet, MaxBiz. In this changing scenario, we as a business are suffering a lot. And I'm sure Yogesh sir, by his deliberations, is going to make us understand all about the changing scenario in business and the upcoming trends and procedures which we can adapt further to uplift our business and make a mark in the business. And with his business program, Fragile to Agile, I'm sure that it would be a great value-based learning for all of us, and it would prove to be a great overall event for all of us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, President sir. Now, I would like to recognize the presence of our respected dignitaries, our trainer for the day, JC Yogesh Chandak sir, JC Rajesh Kumar Saraf, National Director, JCI India, JC Rajesh Kumar Gangwal sir, our Zone President, Zone 25, and our Long President, JC Nishan Pahadia sir. Now I request JC Sneha Jain to introduce our guest of honor, Rajesh Kumar Gangwal sir.
A very warm good evening to all. Am I audible? I, JC Sneha Pahadia, do hereby take it to my privilege to introduce before you all the man who joined the JC's movement in the year 2016 as a chartered treasurer for the year 2016, transformed himself from a soft-spoken person to an assertive personality, from an individualistic approach to a team approach, from mediocrity to excellence, from managing things to leading life events. After learning a lot from the opportunity to serve the chapter in various positions, was chosen the leader of the chapter in the year 2018 as president. With smart working, determination blended with completeness of commitment, he has surpassed many milestones. As a JC officer, he received and has been receiving appreciations for every office he held during his JC career. Served as Zone Vice President 2019, attended various trainings such as EPS, Speechcraft, AOS, Nalanda, Loam Officers Training Seminar, Presidential Academy. He was also a part of major events such as NetCon, ZoneCon, MidCon. Professionally, he is a practicing advocate and a BCom graduate. He is the founder and director of Darsh Consultancy, a tax, law and investment consultancy firm. Born on 11 January 1980 and married to a lady luck behind his achievements, JC Isha Gangwal, he is blessed with two cute kids, son Darsh and daughter Taisha. Dear all, help me in welcoming before you all JC Rajesh Kumar Gangwal sir, Zone President 2020, Zone 25. Thank you all. Over to you, JC.
Thank you so much, JC Sneha Jain. Now I would love our Zone President JC Rajesh Kumar Gangwal to please motivate everyone with his lovely words.
Thank you, JC Pooja. And I'm really thankful to JC Sneha, the way she introduced me. I'm really glad that it's coming such words from you. And कभी कभी कहते हैं ना कि शर्म भी आती है अपनों के बीच में अपना परिचय पाके ऐसी हालत हो गई है मेरी कि हुनर में अपने ही घर में मुझे एक इंट्रोडक्शन की जरूरत पड़ गई और ऐसा करने में मुझे कितनी बार ऐसे लगता है कि क्यों हो रहा है और किस लिए हो रहा है. थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन. Respected trainer of the day and Zone 25 के सबसे चहीते जैसी योगेश जी चांडक, the National Director of Business राजेश शराफ जैसी राजेश सराफ, the Loam President जैसी निशांत, the Zone Vice President Region A जैसी विजय अग्रवाल, VP Business जैसी मनोज, and all other guests and members of JCI Guwahati Hunar. A very warm good evening to each and everyone present here. सबसे पहले तो मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि JCI Guwahati Hunar मतलब ये मेरा सेकंड फैमिली है. इनफैक्ट मैं कहूँगा कि अगर मेरी फैमिली के बाद कुछ आता है तो JCI Guwahati Hunar ही आता है. However, I am a zone president. I shouldn't say I have spoken this, but yes, I will not hesitate in saying this कि JCI Guwahati Hunar मेरा दूसरा घर है. और जिस तरह से जैसे गुवाहाटी हुनर की बागडोर निशांत ले रखा है और जिस तरीके से उसने इतना मेहनत कर रहा है और इतनी अच्छाइयों से उसने अच्छे अच्छे काम किए हैं. आई एम रियली रियली प्राउड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ सच ग्रेट टीम. निशांत इज डूइंग रियली फैबुलस एंड आई एम रियली ग्लैड कि जैसे गुवाहाटी हुनर इज आल्सो पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन दिस मैक्स बीज ट्रायो बिजनेस डेज. टुडे इज अ वेरी ग्रेट डे. यू नो इट्स द फाउंडर डे ऑफ JCI. हेनरी गिसेनबर्ग was born on this day and it's very important. And your ZVP, the ZVP of region C and your Loam ZVP JC Shankar Agarwal is also sharing his birthday on this day even, in fact. So it's really a great day and you're doing a fabulous work. And Nishant has come up with a very nice idea recently to add new members for the GND area. He has come up with a Hunar ke Parinde, and I really like the concept and hope it gets success and it goes really good. My best wishes. You are doing very fabulous in all the entire area, be it business area, be it program area, be it management area, be it any other area. But I'm lacking behind in GND, and I request all the Loam members of JCI Guwahati Hunar to sincerely think about growth and development of the zone. It's really a high time. And see, business is a very important topic, and this is a really catchy and attractive thing where we can tell people that we are also doing business and we are really very sincere about it. And I think this is a very good thing that we are doing, and through this we can catch and add new and dynamic members and add more young bloods to the JCI fraternity of the Zone 25. My best wishes to all of you and wish you all a happy learning. Thank you. Over to you, JC Pooja.
Thank you, sir. That was really very motivating for us. Now I would like to request JC Ragini Jain to introduce today's chief guest.
Thank you so much, Pujadi, for giving me the honor. First of all, a warm good evening to all of you. I, JC Ragini Jain from JCI Guwahati Hunar, take the privilege to introduce in front of you all our chief guest for the evening, the National Director Business 2020, JCI India, Immediate Past Zone President 2020, Zone 9, JCI India. By profession, he is a trader of government and industrial supplies and director of Topaz Holidays. He has achieved this height of success with the blessings and support of his proud parents, Motilal Saraf and Kanta Devi Saraf. He is happily married with JFP Neelam Saraf and is blessed with two cute kids, JCLT Nehal Saraf, age 9 years, and JCLT Rivan Saraf, age 3 years. His hobbies are traveling, watching movies, and cooking. As a JC, he served various posts in Home Loan, JCI Sambalpur Global. He joined JCI in the year 2012 and became LOM President in the year 2016. He became Zone Vice President in the year 2017, became Zone Director Management in the year 2018. It's very proud to say that he is elected as a Zone President 2019 in ZoneCon 2018 Spandan held at Nagpur. He became National Director Business in the year 2020, attended ABLE in the year 2014 at Karnal. He also attended NetCon 6, attended ZoneCon 8, attended MidCon 8. As a trainer, he successfully graduated at prestigious ZTWS and became Zone Trainer in the year 2016. He conducted many training programs in JCs as well as non-JCs organization and corporates. His achievements are marvelous. In his president tenure, 2016, LOM achieved 100% efficiency program, platinum trophy, and highest awards in zone. He hosted ZoneCon 2016 Lamhe, reloaded during his presidential tenure, which was acclaimed by one and all. He was recognized as an outstanding zone vice president in the year 2017 and also an outstanding zone director in the year 2018. His philosophy of life is, the greater the difficulty, the more glory in surmounting it. He is none other than our dynamic JFP, Rajesh Kumar Saraf. Please put your hands together to welcome our chief guest for tonight. Thank you, Pujadi. Over to you.
Thank you, JC Ragini. That was wonderful introduction of our chief guest today. Now I would like to request our chief guest, ND Training, Rajesh Kumar Saraf, to please say a few words and motivate our participants.
Good evening, JCs of Zone 25. My dear dynamic president of JCI Guwahati Hunar, Nishant ji. Very energetic, very encouraging. My best friend, Zone President Rajesh Gangwal ji. Very hardworking, superb president, Zone Director, my team, Swati Maheshwari ji. A esteemed international trainer, Yogesh Chandak ji. And my dear participants, a very warm good evening, one and all. I would like to heartily congratulate to President Nishant ji for superb initiative step taken by you. For the members, being a LOM president, when you take such type of step for the members, actually you get connected with them. And when the matters come on business and finance, it really works. And when it is dedicated, zone directed like Swati ji, फिर तो 4 चांद लग जाते हैं. और इसके बाद dynamic leader, Zone 25, Zone President Rajesh sir, the result of your motivation, inspiration, and great leadership quality which is inside you. A salute to you and your team. आज का डायनामिक ट्रेनर क्या बात करूं, मेरे दिन की शुरुआत सर के पॉजिटिव मोटिवेशनल मैसेज से होती है जो मुझे पूरे दिन रिचार्ज करके रहती है. I am very much sure appreciation you will feel great and positive change inside you. Next week a 3-day program, very well designed program for a benefit of JCI member in business area by the JCI India. Day one, learning day. We all know learning is the process of acquiring new understanding, knowledge, behaviors, skills, values, and attitudes. It's like a setting your mind. Day second, networking day. Now it's time to take action for a planning. Business networking. It's a effective, low-cost marketing method for developing sales opportunities and contacts based on referral and introduction, either face-to-face in B2B meets and gatherings. JCI India gives you platform to increase your business network with worldwide organization. In third day, it's a Mega PR day. This is the day where you need to connect with the society, city, and your surrounding to take your business at next level to get more opportunities and recognition to your business by organizing PR Day. It's our mission and aim to take our society at Atmanirbhar Bharat level. Our Honorable Prime Minister, respected Narendra Modi, sir, launched Self-Reliant India project. Being a JC, our National President, Anish Matthews, sir, took an interest to develop business area and making our country Atmanirbhar and supporting our Prime Minister. My dear friends, it's time to create a new milestone in our business area because JCI teaches create ourselves. Best wishes to you and all who are here. Thank you so much for inviting me and giving me opportunity to be here with all. Thank you. और यहाँ राजेश कंगवाल जी ने बोला कि मेरा जैसे गुवाहाटी हुनर मेरे फैमिली है और मुझे दिख रहा था जब वो एड्रेस कर रहे थे तो सारे लोग उनको तरफ ही देख रहे थे और खासकर भाभी जी वो तो एक तो स्माइल करते करते देखते जा रही है. Thank you very much for inviting me. This is my second home zone. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. It was a beautiful elaboration about all our president, long president, and everyone. Thank you so much, sir. Now, need of the hour. I would like to request JC Pankaj Jain to introduce the trainer of the day. Over to you, Pankaj, sir.
JC Yogesh Chandak from Kota, Rajasthan is an international training fellow. He has been the zone president, Zone 5 in 2014, and training commissioner for the Asia Pacific region for many years. He has conducted more than 150 JCI official and recommended courses across the globe in 46 countries. He is the only trainer to be selected officially to conduct JCI Impact and JCI Impact training course for the very first time in 2012 JCI World Congress in Taipei, Taiwan. He has attended 6 JCI World Congress, 5 JCI Asia Pacific Conferences, 11 JCI India National Conferences, and 13 JCI India Zone 5 Conferences. He can speak almost 13 languages. He won the Most Outstanding Trainer of JCI India Award in 2017. This is just a short introduction. Can we all give a thunderous applause to our charismatic guru, JC Yogesh Chandak. Thank you.
Thank you, JC Pankaj Jain, sir. Now, need of the hour. Yogesh, sir, we cannot see you now. Can you please on your video? So now I would request, sir, please, you can take the floor and please motivate before starting the training. I would like you to say a few words to all of us.
Thank you, Pooja, the coordinator
sir.
and the vice president training of JCI Guwahati Hunar. It's been a great pleasure to listen to Pooja always. And she makes a point that she tries to make me more and more comfortable by sending me all the details and all the logistics issues and everything. Thank you so much, Pooja. Chief guest in absentia, ND Business, Rajesh Saraf. He has already left, maybe preoccupied with some other inauguration today because of MaxBiz. And guest of honor and very good friend and what not to tell about him. the most smiling and charming with the मेरे screen पे भी दोनों आसपास ही हैं. So Rajesh Gangwal ZP 2020 of Zone 25, amazing leader, and what a challenging year. Everything at home, work from home, not business but only JCI since morning till evening. Am I correct? And charming personality again, President Nishant, always on call, texting me something always, sir इसका क्या करूं, sir उसका क्या करूं, and मुझे बताना पड़ता है इसको, कई बार ये भी बोलना पड़ता है, डांटना भी पड़ता है कि भैया मेरे से मत पूछ, ZP से पूछ. तो ये पता नहीं ZP से पूछने से डरता है, तो शायद राजेश इसको कुछ डांट वाट लगा देता है, ZP से पूछने से पहले मेरे से पूछ लेता है. That's jokes apart, but a very humble personality, the president of JCI Guwahati Hunar, and doing lots of big projects, lots of things. Though it's a challenge that how you will be hosting able your dream program, dream event this year, but let's hope for the best. First lady of Zone 25, Isha Bhabhi, namaskar. कैसे हैं आप? Good to see you. Though I could not see you personally when I was there in Zone 25, it was very tight schedule, and all the ZGB and LGB members. Good evening to all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So we are talking about MaxBiz, and today is a learning day. So let's learn something new, and that's why I got a call day before yesterday only, and I designed this entirely based on my experience which I had in last 3 to 4 months, which includes the lockdown period. ये लॉकडाउन के समय जो घर में बैठ के और अब जो challenges मैं फेस कर रहा हूँ, उस experience के बेस पे मैंने ये ट्रेनिंग कोर्स को डिजाइन किया है. So it's just a 24 hours old training course newly designed for you guys. क्योंकि मुझे कुछ नया ही करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो आप लोग बोलोगे कि सर जोन 25 में आते हो बार बार वही बात कर लेते हो, तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. So it's a totally new course designed for you guys, for especially for this MaxBiz, based on the current challenges. See, economy was already bad. Economy was really sluggish throughout the world. हम recession को already face कर रहे थे pre-COVID also. Even in the last whole year, it was a sluggish economy. And now it is a time of radical change, overwhelming complexity, and unparalleled volatility. अब इन सब challenges को face करते हुए COVID-19 आ गया, and COVID-19 के बाद अब हम business unlock 1 भी चल रहा है, साथ में lockdown 5 भी चल रहा है, and बहुत सारे states में lockdown extend भी हो गया है. Like as you said in your state as well, it has been locked down for 14 days because of the frequency of the number of cases coming up, positive cases. But let us not fear, because this is all called as business of fear. डर सबसे ज़्यादा बिकता है और ये डर का business है. Like as said in the movie PK, ये डर का business है. चलिए हम बात करते हैं. तो उससे पहले मैं अपना screen share कर लेता हूँ ताकि I can start with my presentation. Host, can you allow me screen sharing? लॉकडाउन तो हुआ, लॉकडाउन हमारी बॉडी का हुआ, हमारा ब्रेन का लॉकडाउन नहीं हुआ, लेकिन कुछ लोगों ने ब्रेन का भी लॉकडाउन कर दिया. अभी हम थोड़ी देर पहले अनऑफिशियली डिस्कस कर रहे थे 2-4 लोग आपस में, जिसमें प्रशांत भी था, पंकज भी था, दीपक जी भी थे, कि डिप्रेशन हो गया. तो डिप्रेशन इसलिए हो गया कि हमने ब्रेन को भी लॉकडाउन कर दिया. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू, डोंट लॉक डाउन योर ब्रेन, ओनली लॉक डाउन योर बॉडी. तो आपका डिप्रेशन का कोई काम ही नहीं आने आसपास भी आने का. सो ओके, यू हैव अलाउड मी. Okay, is it visible? You can just unmute and keep your mic unmuted so I can talk to you at times. So is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So the name of the course is, because we are facing so many challenges, body lockdown hai, brain lockdown nahi hona chahiye. So I thought the right terminology is making yourself from fragile. We have transformed into a fragile personality in the lockdown period. So let's move from fragile to agile in this time of crisis. And बटरफ्लाई से बढ़िया एक एग्जांपल नहीं हो सकता जो इस मेटामॉर्फोसिस फेज से पास ऑन होती है. दैट चेंज प्रोसेस, दैट ट्रांजिशन प्रोसेस, वो सबसे क्रिटिकल होता है, बहुत दर्दनाक होता है, बहुत तकलीफ वाला होता है, लेकिन आफ्टर दैट इट्स ऑल गुड. सो लेट्स लर्न हाउ वी ट्रांसफॉर्म फ्रॉम फ्रेजाइल टू एजाइल इन द टाइम्स ऑफ क्राइसिस. कोर्स के शॉर्टली कंटेंट्स आपको बता दूं. we'll talk about the challenges post COVID-19 वूका वर्ल्ड की हम यहाँ पे बात करेंगे. वूका वर्ल्ड क्या है ये मैं आपको बताऊंगा थोड़ी देर में. इमोशंस रिलेटेड टू चेंज. देन वी टॉक अबाउट द कुबलर-रॉस चेंज कर्व, एक छोटा सा प्लान ऑफ एक्शन फॉर फ्यूचर एंड नर्चरिंग ऑफ बिजनेस. ये सारी बातें हम आज यहाँ पे ब्रश अप करने वाले हैं. सो मोर देन हैंड सैनिटाइजर्स, दिस कंट्री नीड्स ब्रेन सैनिटाइजर्स, ताकि हम डिप्रेशन के शिकार ना हो, हम अपने ब्रेन को लॉकडाउन ना करें. So before I begin the process, let us have a look at this small video. पोस्ट कोविड-19 हम एक नए व्यक्तित्व के रूप में, एक नए पर्सनालिटी, वी ट्रांसफॉर्म ourselves into a new person. So that's why there may be challenges, but we have to overcome challenges. We are young active citizens. We are the people who are leaders. We are supposed to be doing new things. We are supposed to be the problem solvers. We are supposed to be the solution providers. We are supposed to be providing sustainable solutions to community challenges, to challenges being faced by businesses as well. So let us analyze the challenges in a brief way. Economic and financial losses everyone has incurred. सभी को हुआ है, चाहे country हो, चाहे foreign countries हो, चाहे हमारे big corporate houses हो, चाहे small and medium enterprises, MSMEs हो, चाहे traders हो, चाहे services professional हो. Everybody has incurred economic and financial losses. There's a lot of illiteracy in digital skills. आज भी ये है, हम जैसे तैसे काम चला रहे हैं, लेकिन illiteracy बरकरार है. Work from home एक challenge है, opportunity भी है, लेकिन challenge भी. Low credit offtake, लिक्विडिटी मार्केट में लोग उधार लेना बंद कर रहे हैं, लोग बैंक से लोन्स नहीं उठा रहे हैं, सो क्रेडिट ऑफटेक इज लो. मार्केट में फिर भी लिक्विडिटी क्रंच है, पैसा नहीं है. फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट ऑफ बिजनेस बहुत हैवी पड़ रहा है बिकॉज इनकम इज नेग्लिजिबल एंड फिक्स्ड एक्सपेंसेस आर ऑलरेडी देयर. इंटरेस्ट रेट्स रिड्यूस की है आरबीआई ने, बट स्टिल इंटरेस्ट बर्डन है. वो 6 महीने बाद तो वो इंटरेस्ट हमें बेयर करना ही पड़ेगा और देना भी पड़ेगा. एनपीए स्लिपेजेस ज्यादा होने वाले हैं बैंक्स में, क्योंकि नॉन परफॉर्मिंग एसेट्स का रेशियो ये 6 महीने जो मॉरेटोरियम पीरियड अनाउंस किया आरबीआई ने उसमें नहीं होगा, लेकिन व्हाट आफ्टर दैट, What after September? Definitely people will not be able to repay the installments, and then they will get recognized as NPA. So that will be a big challenge for the banking industry and other industry as well. Tourism sector सबसे badly hit हुआ है. Properties like hotels, resorts, aviation industry, travel industry totally shut down है. लोग travel नहीं करना चाह रहे unless and it is very urgent. So at least next 1 year तक ये बहुत बड़ी problem में face कर रहे हैं, and how to maintain even that property, ये भी एक challenge है. Medicines का shortage है. दो medicine का जो sales है, all big pharmaceutical companies का sales has drastically reduced by 50 to 60%. Life saving drugs का तो sale almost 20% रह गया है. I don't know what happened, but maybe due to good food, home cooked food, good water, home filtered water, maybe due to good weather because of no pollution, ozone layer भी, ozone का hole भी छोटा हो गया है. तो लेकिन medicines का shortage फिर भी रहा. Food and essential commodities की supply रही, but due to lockdown दो भी थोड़ी सी hit हो गई थी. More challenges, export and import oriented industry बहुत problem में है. Drastic fall in GDP will be expected after this 30th of June, and per capita income is going to get reduced. The most critical factor will be the medium class. उसको सबसे ज़्यादा नुकसान होने वाला है. Sluggish industrial growth है. Low consumption of petroleum products. अब जाके थोड़ा सा अनलॉक आया है, तो पेट्रोल डीजल एंड अदर पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट्स का सेल थोड़ा सा बढ़ा है, बट इट इज स्टिल ऑन अ वेरी लोअर साइड. इंफ्रा प्रोजेक्ट्स, जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के प्रोजेक्ट्स थे, वो सभी कुछ रुक गए थे, वो अब चलने लगे हैं, बट स्टिल स्लगिश हैं. सो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट्स आर स्टिल ऑन अ स्टैंड स्टिल. वी हैव स्टार्टेड अनलॉक 1, बट स्टिल एम्प्लॉइज मे नॉट टर्न आउट बिकॉज ऑफ फियर, बिकॉज ऑफ एंजाइटी, or maybe because they are staying somewhere which is a containment zone, which is a lockdown zone. तो हो सकता है आपके employees अभी भी turn out ना हो. Automobile sector, which contributes almost to the 38% of the GDP of the country, is in deep trouble. Because of this migrant labor issue, labor cost is going to increase, because these laborers, once they go to their villages and their homes, they don't come back before 6 months. Lot of taboos, lot of things happen, and they don't come back. So labor cost is going to increase. And because of all this business challenges, service sector जो businesses को ही service mostly देता है, वो सबसे ज़्यादा hurt होने वाला है. Traditional way of doing business may vanish. I don't know, like training has vanished. It is only online webinars. Training actually जो होती थी वो होना बंद हो गई है. Likewise, marketing जो होती थी door to door और business to business, वो बंद होके शायद digital marketing start हो गया है, और वो बहुत impact करने वाला है. And if you go more deep and deep, बहुत सारे और challenges आने वाले हैं. So life is change, my friends. Life हमेशा बदलती रहती है. Life is change. But growth जो है वो optional है. और ये metamorphosis जो phase होता है, एक कैटरपिलर से बटरफ्लाई में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का जो फेज है, जो ट्रांजिशन फेज है, उसे हम चेंज का एक प्रोसेस मानते हैं. बहुत दर्दनाक होता है, बहुत गंदा होता है, बहुत पीड़ादायक होता है, बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है, बहुत चैलेंजिंग होता है. बट आफ्टर दिस चेंज, दैट कैटरपिलर ग्रोज इटसेल्फ इनटू अ ब्यूटीफुल बटरफ्लाई, एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट इज सेड ग्रोथ इज ऑप्शनल. द पर्सन हु फेसेस मोर पेन इन लाइफ gradually becomes more powerful in life, more beautiful. He turns out to be like a butterfly. So life is change, growth is optional. I will give a reference of a very good book over here. You must read it, though many of you must have read that book. A very big bestseller by John Spencer, Who Moved My Cheese. चीज का भंडार चूहों को मिल जाता है, वो सोचते हैं जिंदगी यहीं कट जाएगी, उसी चीज को खाते रहते हैं, वो चीज खराब होने लगती है, वो लोग बीमार पड़ने लगते हैं, वो चूहे, और इवेंचुअली दे डाई बिकॉज दे डिड नॉट एक्सेप्ट द चेंज एंड डिड नॉट गो फॉर ग्रोथ विच वाज ऑप्शनल. बट उन्हीं में से कुछ उन्हीं के ब्रदर चूहे थे, वो दिन भर दौड़ते रहते हैं, कुछ नया खाना ढूंढने लगते हैं, और उनको नई चीज मिलती है, नया खाना मिलता है. सो Who Moved My Cheese explains you how change and growth is optional. So it depends on us how we accept this change, how we plan for growth, how we take it on a positive note. Rather we stay contained in our place, or we keep on moving further so that we can really accept the change and plan for growth. So do read that book, Who Moved My Cheese, a very wonderful book to explain you the process of change and the concept of change management and its acceptability. So हम सब चेंज एजेंट्स हैं, हम सब लीडर्स हैं अपने अपने बिजनेसेस के, तो हमारे अंदर क्या क्वालिटीज होनी चाहिए एज अ चेंज एजेंट? वी शुड बी रियलिस्टिक. एक्चुअली क्या हो सकता है, प्रैक्टिकली क्या हो सकता है, बहुत ज्यादा पेसिमिस्टिक भी नहीं होना, बहुत ज्यादा ऑप्टिमिस्टिक भी नहीं होना चाहिए, बट हमें एक रियलिस्टिक व्यू बनाना आना चाहिए. वी शुड बी अ वेरी गुड कम्युनिकेटर, इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेटर. वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, मैं बार बार बोलता हूँ, शायद आपके जोन में बहुत लोगों को मैंने पहले भी बोला है, वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन. Passing on information is not communication. WhatsApp is a mode of transmitting information, not communication. Facebook, Twitter, all these social media platforms, they are not communication concepts. They are information dissemination formats. So हमें difference understand करना पड़ेगा. As a change agent, we have to be a very attentive and active listener. The more you listen, the more you understand, and the more better action you can take based on your listening and your understanding. You have to be a person with novel ideas. You have to be a person with more and more ideas, how to do better, how to improve. You have to be a good collaborator. You have to collaborate with many people, with your vendors, with your suppliers, with your clients, with your customers, with your workforce, with your family. So you need to develop a good collaborator skill. A good change agent, a quality change agent is always restless. You will not, वो दिन भर बैठेगा नहीं, वो कुछ ना कुछ करता रहेगा. He has to be a restless person, and he should always be eager for improvement, because it is well said that there's always scope for improvement. So improvement, we need to improve daily. It is always said that businesses need to improve on a daily basis. So ये metamorphosis का जो phase है, जो ये concept है, ये हमें explain करता है जो मैं आपको screen पे बता रहा हूँ. We are billions of caterpillars forced into our cocoons. हम cocoon में बंद है, lockdown में है. So being called on to change from the inside out, to metamorphosize, to rest and reflect and sprout our wings, to fly here and there, to reach new heights, to attain something new. तो ये change process हमें caterpillar से एक beautiful butterfly में transform करेगा. हमें अंदर से बाहर आना पड़ेगा. अंडे का फंडा यहाँ पे बहुत important है. When an egg is broken from inside, it comes inside out. A new life begins. But when an egg is broken from outside, a life ends. So you can only inspire or inspire people, but motivation अंदर से खुद का आना चाहिए. So self motivation is the biggest motivation. Nobody can motivate anyone. We only can inspire people. तो inspire होना अलग बात है और motivate होना अलग बात है. So post COVID-19, we need to understand this VUCA world. It's very relevant here now. What is this VUCA? VUCA is volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. Now, where from this concept came, VUCA world? VUCA world, this word VUCA and this strategy of VUCA was adopted by the US Army when they were in Afghanistan, when Saddam Hussein was the leader of Iraq and America had attacked Afghanistan and Iraq. So they developed this VUCA strategy to overcome the situations and circumstances prevailing in Iraq and Afghanistan, the then Afghanistan and the then Iraq, the era of Saddam Hussein. There was a lot of volatility, there was a lot of uncertainty, complexity and ambiguity in that phase. और VUCA world आज हमारे COVID-19 में भी applicable ट्रूली है. आप इन चारों चीजों को देख लीजिए, आज हमारी पोजीशन बिल्कुल इस पे रेलेवेंटली फिक्स होती है. That's why I am explaining you. So let us understand what is this VUCA. What is this volatility, uncertainty, complexity and ambiguity. रोज कुछ नया हो रहा है, volatility है, क्या होने वाला है हमें पता नहीं है. कल क्या होगा ये हमें पता नहीं है, आज शाम को क्या होगा हमें पता नहीं है, आज सुबह क्या एसओपीज आ जाएंगी गवर्नमेंट की पता नहीं है, लॉकडाउन अनाउंस हो जाएगा पता नहीं है. सो लॉट ऑफ वॉलेटिलिटी, स्पीड, वॉल्यूम, नेचर, मैग्नीट्यूड, हर चीज चेंज हो रही है. और इस वॉलेटिलिटी की वजह से कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी बढ़ रही है. कॉम्प्लेक्स सिस्टम होते जा रहे हैं, हर चीज की एसओपीज आ रही है, गाइडलाइंस आ रही है, हमें फॉलो करना पड़ता है. ट्रैवल गाइडलाइंस हैं, होटल की गाइडलाइंस अलग है, रेस्टोरेंट की गाइडलाइंस अलग है, बिजनेस केसेस की गाइडलाइंस अलग है. एवरीवेयर देयर आर डिफरेंट सेट ऑफ गाइडलाइंस, डिफरेंट सेट ऑफ एसओपीज, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, मास्क, सैनिटाइजेशन, सो मेनी थिंग्स. हमें मैनेज करना डिफिकल्ट होते जा रहा है. सिचुएशंस आर गेटिंग मोर एंड मोर कॉम्प्लेक्स. अनसर्टेनिटी का एनवायरनमेंट है. कल क्या होगा, क्या हम ऑफिस जा पाएंगे, क्या हम बिजनेस को खोल पाएंगे, इट्स अनसर्टेनिटी इज देयर. बिकॉज क्योंकि अगर नंबर ऑफ केसेस बढ़ गए तो कुछ भी हो सकता है, लॉकडाउन भी हो सकता है, कर्फ्यू भी लग सकता है, कंटेनमेंट हो सकता है. सो व्हाट विल हैपन नेक्स्ट हमें पता नहीं है. तो हम अपना डिसीजन मेकिंग प्रोसेस को कैसे अडॉप्ट करें, ये हमारे लिए अनसर्टेनिटी रहती है. एम्बिग्यूटी है, हम डिसीजन ही नहीं ले पा रहे, हम सोच भी नहीं पा रहे, हम इंटरप्रेट नहीं कर पा रहे कि होगा क्या, करना क्या है. तो हमारा डिसीजन मेकिंग प्रोसेस बहुत प्रॉब्लम में है. हम डिजायर्ड आउटकम की तरफ जा ही नहीं पा रहे. तो दिस इज वूका, वॉलेटिलिटी, अनसर्टेनिटी, कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी, एम्बिग्यूटी, जो हमें समझा रही है. नाउ आई विल गिव यू फ्यू क्वेश्चंस. If you have answers, you can write in your chat box. The chat box is open. I will see it over here. So when life is throwing so many curveballs at you, number one question is, what choice can I make that can change the situation? And the number two question is, what can I do differently that might lead to a different result? मैं कुछ अलग क्या कर सकता हूँ ताकि अलग result produce करूँ? I give you a few moments of time. If you have any answers to this question, please write in the chat box so I can have a look at it. What you think in this process? What choice can I make that can change the situation? What can I do differently that might lead to a different result? Anything what you think. आप जो भी सोचते हो इसके बारे में आप यहाँ पे शेयर कर सकते हैं. In the chat box. It's not so easy. दोनों questions बहुत critical हैं, बहुत difficult हैं. You can even note down these questions and keep it with you, and then later on you can think about this. मैं जरूरी नहीं है, आपके ऊपर कोई प्रेशर नहीं है कि आप अभी इसका आंसर दें. ये बहुत थॉट प्रोसेस के बाद बोलने वाली चीजें हैं. तो you have to think over it. So I am giving these questions to you as a carry home or keep with you after the training ends. कि इन दो क्वेश्चंस का आंसर है क्या मेरे पास. Only then I can move ahead, then I can move further, accepting this change and challenging process. चलिए हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. So कर्व बॉल्स तो आ रही है, तो क्या करना है? Things that matter, things that you can control. तो हमें फोकस क्या करना है? ये दो सर्कल आपस में इंटरमिंगल्ड है. हमें फोकस करना है जहां पे वो दोनों कोलैबोरेट करते हैं सर्कल. वो जो एरिया है वो हमारा फोकस एरिया होना चाहिए. देखिए बहुत सारी बातें हैं कि थिंग्स दैट मैटर टू यू एंड थिंग्स यू कैन कंट्रोल. ओवरऑल पूरी दुनिया में, हमारे देश में, हमारे आसाम में या हमारे जोन 25 में नंबर ऑफ कोविड-19 के पॉजिटिव केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं. दिस मैटर्स टू यू ऑल, दिस मैटर्स टू मी एज वेल. But can you control them? That's the big question mark. Yeah, it matters to all of us, but we cannot control it because it is beyond our power to control them. So what should you focus on? ये हमें सीखना पड़ेगा. We need to understand this circle format. I can't control and I can control. I can't control other people's words, actions, attitude, feeling, mistake, reactions, body language, thoughts, ideas, behavioral skills. But इन सभी चीजों को मैं जो दुनिया की नहीं कर सकता, मैं अपने लिए जब अप्लाई करूं तो I can control. But it's vice versa. मैं सेल्फ कंट्रोल तो नहीं रहता हूं, but I try to control others. I try to control other people's words, thoughts, actions, behavior, attitude, feeling. हम ये सब कंट्रोल करना चाहते हैं. हमें ये रिवर्स करना पड़ेगा, रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग में जाना पड़ेगा. हमें पता होना चाहिए कि मैं क्या कंट्रोल कर सकता हूँ और क्या नहीं कंट्रोल कर सकता हूँ। तो अगर आप इन कंट्रोल ऑफ सिचुएशन है तो आप लीडर हैं, लेकिन अगर आप कंट्रोल की सिचुएशन में नहीं है तो आप विक्टिम बनते जा रहे हैं। और इन दोनों के बीच का जो एरिया है वो कहता है इन्फ्लुएंस का एरिया, विच इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड इन द मैनेजमेंट थियरी एज द सर्कल ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंस। तो आप ये सर्कल ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंस में कितना इम्पैक्ट कर सकते हैं, कितना कन्विंस कर सकते हैं, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप लीडर बनेंगे या आप विक्टिम बनेंगे। विक्टिम बनेंगे तो आप इस प्रोसेस में नेगेटिव थॉट प्रोसेस में चले जाएंगे, बहुत सारे लोग फ्रस्ट्रेशन में चले जाते हैं, बहुत सारे लोग डिप्रेशन में चले जाते हैं। बट इफ यू आर इन चार्ज ऑफ द सिचुएशन, इन कंट्रोल ऑफ द सिचुएशन, यू इमर्ज एज अ लीडर, यू इमर्ज एज अ चेंज एजेंट, you emerge as a leader who is really influencing people and making them positive. So we need to understand this control process as well. So things which you can control are your internal things, and things which you cannot control are your external things. So how to control a situation? You have to frame questions to yourself in terms of things you can control. So move the center of control of your focus from external to internal. एक्सटर्नल चीजों को हम इंटरनल करते रहें, बाहर की चीजों को आत्मसात करें, उसमें अच्छी चीजें अडॉप्ट करें, पॉजिटिव नोट्स अडॉप्ट करें, एंड देन वी इमर्ज एज कंट्रोलिंग द इमोशंस एंड कंट्रोलिंग द सिचुएशंस एंड सर्कमस्टेंसेस। तो चेंज बहुत टिपिकल है, चेंज का कंपटीशन भी होता है। नाउ दीज आर रियल लाइफ एडवर्टाइजमेंट होर्डिंग्स प्लेस्ड इन मुंबई नियर द एयरपोर्ट. So I clicked pictures because I learned a lot from this change competition. Now I'll show you one by one what happened. Now these airlines are no more in existence. Jet Airways अब नहीं है, but बहुत साल पहले की बात है ये. So what advertisement was there? We have changed. Find out what else has changed at jetairways.com. See, this was a hoarding. इसके ऊपर Kingfisher Airlines functioning में थी, उन्होंने एक और hoarding place कर दिया. We made them change because Kingfisher Airlines made Fly Kingfisher a brand in itself, और value added services इतनी ला दी कि सबको change करना पड़ा. So what it put over there, we made them change. It does not stop here. यहाँ नहीं रुकी advertisement, इसके ऊपर देखिए, Go Air, we have not changed. We are still the smartest way to fly. Just imagine, एक के बाद एक कंपटीशन में एयरलाइन इंडस्ट्री एक के ऊपर एक होर्डिंग प्लेस करते जा रही है. दीज आर रियल लाइफ इमेजेस. इट डज नॉट स्टॉप ओवर हियर. जस्ट इमेजिन, इंडियन रेलवेज का ऐड आ गया, वी विल नेवर चेंज. एंड देन बेस्ट, जो बॉम्बे में सिटी बसेस चलती हैं, बेस्ट बॉम्बे इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई सबर्बन ट्रांसपोर्ट, तो उन्होंने क्या करा, अब बस करो वरना प्लेन क्रैश हो जाएगा, होर्डिंग से टकरा जाएगा. इशूड इन पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट बाय BEST बस. तो अब बस करो because they are running buses. Now this is how change competition happened in Mumbai over the advertisement near the Mumbai airport. So we need to identify our emotions with respect to the change ahead. और ये emotions क्या हो सकते हैं? ट्रॉमा होता है ना, एक्सीडेंट के बाद ट्रॉमा होता है, और कोविड-19 के बाद भी ट्रॉमा हो रहा है हम सबके बीच में. तो वी आर फेसिंग दिस पोस्ट ट्रॉमेटिक स्ट्रेस. हमारे अंदर फियर का एलिमेंट बहुत बढ़ गया है, एंजाइटी लेवल बहुत हाई है. वी आर रिग्रेटिंग फॉर थिंग्स वी डिड नॉट डू, वी कुड नॉट डू, और वी वांटेड टू डू. देयर इज अ डीप सेंस ऑफ इमोशन ऑफ सॉरो. क्या मैंने उसको क्या बोल दिया. हम अपने परिवारों से पास हो गए हैं, बहुत दूर थे. बहुत सारे फैमिली मीटिंग्स भी जूम पे हुई हैं, बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स जूम पे कनेक्ट हुए हैं, व्हाट्सएप पे कनेक्ट हुए हैं. तो वी फेल्ट सॉरोफुल, वी फेल्ट सॉरो फॉर व्हाट वी डिड रॉन्ग, वी फेल्ट सॉरो फॉर व्हाट वी स्पोक रॉन्ग. तो ये सब इमोशंस हमारे अंदर आए हैं, और कभी कभी एंगर भी आया है, हमें गुस्सा भी आया है, नाराजगी भी हुई है कि क्या कर रहे हैं, लॉकडाउन कर दिया, मुझे कितना लॉस हो रहा है, कितना फाइनेंशियल लॉस हो रहा है, मेरे बिजनेस का क्या होगा, मेरे एम्प्लॉयज का क्या होगा, मेरे परिवार का क्या होगा, मेरे बच्चों की पढ़ाई का क्या होगा. ये सब गुस्सा भी हमारे अंदर आ रहा है. So we need to identify our emotions with respect to the change ahead of us. Now another big question. This question is also very difficult to answer. You can try to answer or keep it recorded for you. Post traumatic growth के लिए हमें ये सोचना पड़ेगा कि what can I do to make the change work for me? Say for example, किसी का एक्सीडेंट हो गया है, उसका हाथ या पैर फ्रैक्चर हो गया है, उसके फ्रैक्चर में इम्प्लांट्स डालने पड़े, मे बी रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ द बोन और मे बी प्लेट्स या रॉड्स जो डलती हैं वो डली, तो वो पोस्ट ट्रॉमेटिक ग्रोथ में उसको फिजियोथेरेपी भी करानी पड़ेगी, ही हैज टू एक्सरसाइज अ लॉट, ही हैज टू ग्रेजुअली मूव, तो पोस्ट ट्रॉमेटिक ग्रोथ होगा उसका। तो वो करने के लिए वो क्या करता है, व्हाट कैन आई डू टू मेक द चेंज वर्क फॉर मी, ही हैज टू एक्सरसाइज, he has to go to the physiotherapist, he has to take a proper diet, he has to keep a balanced life, only then he can recover. Now apply this to the COVID-19 perspective. What you can do to make this big change in the world work for you, what you can do, just give me few points if possible now, or keep it stored, this question for you, so that you can think about it. What can I do to make the change work for me? Really very difficult question, very not very easy to answer, but very very important question कि हम इस परिवर्तन को, इस इस नकारात्मक वातावरण से सकारात्मक परिवर्तन को कैसे अपने फायदे के लिए लेके आए। यही हमारी पोस्ट ट्रॉमेटिक ग्रोथ होने वाली है। Here we come into the concept of Kubler-Ross change curve, जो एक्सप्लेन करता है कि किसी भी तरह का चेंज जो प्रोसेस होता है, किसी भी तरह का जो चेंज एलिमेंट लाइफ में आता है, चाहे वो बिग नेचुरल कैलामिटी से हो या किसी और बात से हो, तो वो चेंज हमें कैसे अडॉप्ट करना है, वो चेंज हमें क्या क्या सिखाता है और वो चेंज कैसे होता है, उस प्रोसेस को कोबलर-रॉस ने यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन किया है। ऑन वन साइड देयर वाज अ लाइन ऑफ मोरल एंड कॉम्पिटेंस, अनदर इज द टाइम लाइन। मोरल एंड कॉम्पिटेंस अप एंड डाउन हो रहा है, आप देखिए द एरो इज गोइंग अप, गोइंग डाउन एंड अगेन कमिंग अप, बट व्हाट हैपेंस इन दैट प्रोसेस? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हेन यू अप्लाई इट टू द कोविड-19 सिचुएशन, हम सब सरप्राइज थे, शॉक्ड थे, ओ माय गॉड व्हाट इज दिस कोरोना, भारत में तो नहीं आना चाहिए, होगा तो होगा, चाइना में ही रह जाए। सो वी वर शॉक्ड इनिशियली। देन जब पहले कुछ केसेस आए तो हम बिलीव नहीं कर रहे थे, वी हैड अ डिसबिलीफ, नहीं नहीं यहाँ नहीं हो सकता। सो वी वर इन अ डिनायल मोड, वी डिड नॉट एक्सेप्ट इट। एविडेंस था फिर भी हम इसको झूठ मान रहे थे, हम अपने सांत्वना दे रहे थे अपने आप को, हम अपने आप को डिसबिलीफ में डाल रहे थे कि देयर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड कोरोना, इंडिया विल नॉट बी इंपैक्टेड। देन थिंग्स चेंज्ड, सब कुछ गड़बड़ होने लगा, लॉकडाउन हो गया और हमारी थॉट प्रोसेस जो शॉक और डिनायल की थी वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन में ट्रांसफॉर्म हो गई, क्योंकि हमें गुस्सा आने लगा, ये क्या हो गया, मेरे जो प्लान्स थे, मार्च एंडिंग फाइनेंशियल ईयर एंडिंग था, मुझे ये करना था, वो इन्वेस्टमेंट करना था, वो प्लानिंग करनी थी, टैक्स प्लानिंग था, सो मेनी थिंग्स, बिजनेस को आगे ले जाने का प्लान था, एक्सपांशन प्लान था, वो सब खत्म हो गया, फ्रस्ट्रेशन आने लग गया। और बहुत सारे लोग, अभी थोड़ी देर पहले बात हो रही थी, लो मूड हो गया, लो एनर्जी हो गया एंड डिप्रेशन मोड में चले गए, बिकॉज उन्होंने अपने ब्रेन को भी लॉकडाउन कर दिया, अपने थॉट प्रोसेस को भी लॉकडाउन कर दिया। बट देन ग्रेजुअली यू रेड बुक्स, यू saw television, you attended good programs, you met good people, and then कुछ नई चीजें आने लगी और आप न्यू एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करने लगे, थोड़ा बहुत कम था लेकिन फिर भी करने लगे, and then you took a decision, no, I have to overcome this, I have to overcome this fear, I have to come out of this change, and then you started integrating these changes and you became a new individual. आपने कोरोना कोविड-19 के साथ जीना सीख लिया, you adopted the mask, you adopted the sanitizer, you started washing your hands, you adopted social distancing, you started your business establishments, so you integrated the things, taking a precautionary mode, safety protocols को follow करते हुए आप अपने business को start कर रहे हैं। तो see, the moral and competence was high, then it went on low, and then again when you integrated the things, it went on very high. So what were the strategies? You create alignment, you maximize your communication, spark motivation inside you, develop your capability and your competence of doing things, and share the knowledge with your team, maybe your family, maybe with your workforce. And this is what Kubler-Ross change curve explains, कि ये process हर change में होता है। तो अगर frustration आ रहा है कोई बात नहीं, depression आ रहा है कोई बात नहीं, हम इसको overcome कर सकते हैं। That is what this change curve explains to us. So give yourself the permission to feel the emotions which come inside you, in your heart, in your soul, in your brain, जो आप feel कर सकते हो, आप इन emotions को फील कीजिए, इन इमोशंस को आप फील करना अपने आप के लिए टाइम दीजिए। तो ये समय आपको देना बहुत जरूरी है कि आप क्या क्या इमोशनल अटैचमेंट्स इसके साथ में फील कर रहे हैं, और वो फीलिंग्स ही आपको आगे लेके जाएंगी। बिकॉज इफ योर EQ इज हाई, what I call as the emotional quotient, if that is high, you can do wonders for yourself. So give yourself permission to feel the emotions. So every time you say or hear, ये कॉमन सी चीजें हमारे सामने आ रही हैं, बहुत लोग ये बोलते हैं आई हैव नो चॉइस, वी हैव नो चॉइस। तो यहाँ पे आपको सॉल्यूशन क्या है? चैलेंज योरसेल्फ, व्हाई डू वी डोंट हैव अ चॉइस? क्या कर सकते हैं हम? व्हाट एल्स कैन बी डन? मैं और क्या कर सकता हूँ? सो इज इट 100% ट्रू? Isn't there anything else or more I can do? So more and more करने की बात सोचिए। ये जो लोग घुटने टेक देते हैं, जिसे हम कहते हैं समर्पण करना, सरेंडर करना, गिविंग अप, just come out of it. Challenge yourself, ask yourself what else I can do, what more I can do. So this is the change process which will automatically make you positive. Now let me quote about Viktor E. Frankl. He was a doctor. He is no more now. Viktor E. Frankl was a very renowned Austrian. Austria is a country in Europe. Austrian neurologist and psychiatrist. He has almost authored 39 books. All the books are on neurology and human behavior sciences. And his bestseller book, you can note down the name, is Man's Search for Meaning. Man's Search for Meaning by Dr. Viktor E. Frankl. He has authored 39 books, and he was a wonderful person. He witnessed the World War II, and then he died over there only. But based on his experience, उन्होंने बहुत लोगों का इलाज किया. So the best quote what he said about this current change situation is, everything can be taken from a man, but one thing, the last of the human freedoms, to choose one's attitude in any given set of circumstances and choose one's own way. तो आप कौन सा एटीट्यूड अडॉप्ट करते हैं इन अ गिवन सेट ऑफ सर्कमस्टेंस, और कौन सा तरीका अडॉप्ट करते हैं, ये आपका अपना फ्रीडम है। इसे कोई आपसे नहीं छीन सकता। Nobody can steal it from you. Nobody can take it away from you. Nobody can snatch it from you. That is your own personal choice, but you have to devise that. So that is what Viktor E. Frankl wrote in his book Man's Search for Meaning, and he cured many people, and he developed a theory of understanding meaning. So if you understand, and if you understand the meanings of people, meanings of word, meaning of what has been said, and understand it, we can definitely solve many of the problems of this world. So that is what Viktor E. Frankl made us learn. So VUCA versus VUCA. We are talking of moving from fragile to agile. VUCA was a world of volatility, uncertainty, complexity and ambiguity. तो हमें volatility से कहां पे आना है? Volatility is no clear vision, but new VUCA will be with a very clear vision, where you want to go, where you want to take your business into, what profits you want to earn, what turnover you want to achieve, what is the expenditure level budgeting. That all has to be done with a clear-cut vision. There's a lot of uncertainty in the VUCA world. Now, what will be the new VUCA world? It will be a lot of understanding. You understand everything. You understand what not and what yes. There was a lot of complexity. Now we have to get a lot of clarity in what we want to do, where we want to do, whom we want to do. There was a lot of ambiguity in the old VUCA world, but in the new VUCA world, it has to be a lot of agility. हम जबरदस्त काम करेंगे, हम फास्ट मूविंग करेंगे, we will go on with a good pace and good speed and with strong agility. So VUCA versus VUCA makes you move from fragile to agile. So build your plan of action for this change, and this action plan, you can click the pictures, you prepare this action plan. I give you 2-3 seconds to understand it, click the images, store it for you, and then आप अपने Excel में या पेपर पे आप ये एक्शन प्लान बना सकते हैं for facing this COVID-19 situation and making your business. The first column is objectives. What is the list of the goals? Task, what you need to do achieve the goals. Success criteria, how will you identify or measure the success? कितने समय में आप इसको पूरा करना चाहते हैं, what is the timeline, I mean to say the time frame, and what resources will you need to complete this task and achieve those goals which are mentioned in the first column. So this can be a plan of action which you can prepare. So you can click the images so that you can really prepare a action plan for yourself, for your business, for your profession, whatever you feel like. Even for students, this can be truly applicable. So you can keep it for your, there are a lot of housewives sitting in this course, so they can use it for their children as well, for their businesses, for their study patterns, for their future career growth. तो अब हम बात करने वाले हैं थोड़ी सी गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव्स की, कि गवर्नमेंट ने क्या क्या इनिशिएटिव अभी तक लिए हैं. फाइनेंशियल पैकेजेस उन्होंने अनाउंस कर दिए सभी के लिए. रिलैक्सेशन ऑफ लॉट ऑफ कंप्लायंस डेट्स फॉलोइंग इन द लॉकडाउन पीरियड. A moratorium period initially was 3 months, but they extended it further for 3 more months. So it's a 6 months moratorium period for all types of advances by banks. No NPA declaration in this moratorium period. Interest rates have been reduced by 1.15%. A big change, a big reduction. But still, interest तो pay करना ही पड़ेगा ना. Stimulus package उन्होंने नाबार्ड, सिडबी एंड नेशनल हाउसिंग बैंक के थ्रू अप्लाई किया 50,000 crores का. Lot of direct benefit transferred in Jan Dhan accounts happened. People, government transferring money every month, and they are getting money to meet their expenses. More funds allocated into the banking system, and the state allocations also increased. Schemes already launched shall be launched. मतलब अभी और schemes prepare हो रही हैं, and most of the schemes will be for the MSME sector. Though already they have announced a few, which are already we'll be discussing. Loans at subsidized rates even for street hawkers, farmers, small traders, as well as covered under the Mudra loan scheme. For MSME sector, 29th February को आपका जो loans में outstanding था, जो भी business loans थे, उसका 20% immediately the banks are releasing, and at a very low rate of interest. It's hardly between 7 to 7.5% by all banks, and they are giving it just at a sanction of 1-page document. No documentation, no paperwork, only a single page का आपको form भर के देना है, and you get this 20% additional. अगर आपका 10 lakhs का outstanding था, you get 2 lakhs of working capital loan, on which 1 year of moratorium period है and 3 years का repayment period है. In totality मिल रहा है to meet your immediate लॉकडाउन जो होने से आपका वर्किंग कैपिटल साइकिल जो ब्रेक हुआ, उसको स्टिमुलस देने के लिए ये लोन दिया जा रहा है. एंड थ्रू दिस वी कैन रियली इंप्रूव आवर बिजनेस, एंड द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज रियली वेरी लो, 7 to 7.5%, हार्डली एट द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑफ व्हाट यू कैन हाउसिंग लोन मिलता था उस पे है. नाउ बिजनेस नर्चरिंग हमें करनी पड़ेगी, अपने बिजनेस को नर्चर करना पड़ेगा. सो अ फ्यू टिप्स based on my experience कि how to nurture our business. Train and talk to your employees and discuss कि हम कितना employee cost reduct कर सकते हैं, किसका कर सकते हैं, किसका नहीं कर सकते हैं. We have to enhance customer service experience. The one who has more liquidity will be emerging as a winner. Stop selling, start providing solution to challenges being faced. So become a solution provider, become a problem solver. Those who have become problem solver will sell more. Customize services. Shred the fats of your business. That is, cut unnecessary cost. Work from home is effective now. So why do we need huge offices, workplace, building spaces? And why regular working hours? Assignment दे दिया, 4 दिन में complete करना है, वो रात को जाके करे या दिन में करे, हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. No need to come in the office at 10 o'clock and leave at 5 o'clock. So no regular working hours. Working can be assignment based and from any location. Mentoring and reverse mentoring. Mentoring is for colleagues and juniors. Reverse mentoring is nowadays popular because illiteracy in digital skills है, तो हमें अपने seniors को और अपने senior citizens को भी digital skills सिखानी पड़ती है, वो reverse mentoring कहलाती है. Financial and budgeting discipline strictly follow करना पड़ेगा. We don't make budgets, and even if we make, we don't follow them. We have to follow them. Incomes to be planned as active income and passive income. A lot of innovation needs to be done in our business and profession. Discipline in social media and news. Rumors are spreading. हर रोज कुछ नई अफवाह उड़ती है और हम उसको फॉरवर्ड करते हैं, हम उसको व्हाट्सएप पे आगे भेजते हैं. Contain yourself. In fact, I would suggest don't even look at those messages. Don't even read those messages, because this WhatsApp messages is trading with your mindset. It is building your mindset. वो आपके दिमाग को frame कर रहे हैं. Just forget it. Improve your own thought process. Because of this WhatsApp message, हमारा अपना thought process काम करना बंद कर दिया है. Change work environment to be more creative. आप अपना work environment को थोड़ा सा change कर लीजिए, थोड़ा creative बना लीजिए, तो आपको उसमें इंटरेस्ट आने लगेगा, कुछ नयापन फील होगा, नहीं तो वही पुराना लगता रहेगा. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बेसिस में शिफ्ट फ्रॉम चाइना, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज बहुत आने वाली हैं. इनफैक्ट इन यस्टरडेज न्यूज़पेपर, एप्पल हैज अप्लाइड टू गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया टू शिफ्ट its entire manufacturing base from China to India. Now look at this. All the Apple products will be manufactured in India, which were being manufactured in China. A big blow to China. ऐसी कम से कम 5,000 और कंपनीज हैं जो चाइना से हटना चाह रही हैं. वो कुछ ना कुछ तो इंडिया में डेफिनेटली आएगा. तो वी हैव दिस बिग अपॉर्चुनिटी. एक्सेलरेशन इन डिजिटल इकोनॉमी. वी विल हैव अ एक्स्ट्रा बजट एलोकेट करना पड़ेगा. कोविड-19 सेफ्टी प्रोटोकॉल एक्सपेंसेस फॉर ऑल बिजनेसेस, वो तो हमें बेयर करना ही पड़ेगा. Those who are dealing in luxury goods will have to face this, because consumer will not be spending more in the next 6 months on luxury products. वो contain करेगा अपने आप को, restrain करेगा from spending on luxury items. We have to segregate good cost and bad cost. Good cost are digitization cost, technology cost, digital marketing, best employees, something like that. Bad cost, fancy office rent, unnecessary spending, bad performance, traditional working methods. We have to concentrate on our core business. Never leave your core competence area. Rather, increase it manifold times. Small and medium enterprise, we need to really take good care, because we earn a lot of money. But what we do, we invest in personal assets. वो personal assets से कोई income नहीं आता है, लेकिन problem ये है कि हमारा existing business का working capital divert हो जाता है. And then we are always in problem. We are always facing liquidity crunch. You have to maintain that reserve so as to cover your expenses and as well as your working capital. And we were discussing this before we started the training. There's a good chance of reoccurrence of the virus, more cases, then there is a good possibility of regular lockdowns, monthly, हर महीने 7 दिन का lockdown आ जाए, ऐसा कुछ भी हो सकता है. I don't know. So be future ready, my friends. Be future ready. Transform your human capital into what? Human assets. हमारी workforce को हम अपनी संपत्ति बना लें तो वो हमारे लिए काम करेगी, वो हमारे organization के लिए काम करेगी, हमारे business के लिए काम करेगी. And then a new concept called as digital lipstick, which is called as digital marketing. You have to adopt measures which are agile, sustainable and scalable. Systematize your business wherever possible. Leverage data for sales, improving efficiency and financial analysis. If you adopt a system once, follow it in a very disciplined manner. Technology को आपको priority बनाना पड़ेगा. You can market products anywhere, even LinkedIn जो हम use नहीं करते हैं. It's a social media platform, but इतना restrained है, इतना controlled environment है कि वहाँ पे अगर हम marketing करेंगे LinkedIn पे तो बहुत सारी चीजें आती है सामने. So make technology as a priority. Play to the industry standards, innovate and improvise. So digital lipstick अगर आप adopt करते हैं, lipstick is being used to make your face more beautiful, more attractive, more and more beautiful. तो जितना आप marketing में अपने आप को beautiful and attractive बनाएंगे, उतना आपका product या service ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा sell होगा. So no matter what you are going through, it is a great opportunity to come out of it better. ये एक बहुत बड़ी COVID-19 से opportunity आई है to reset and reboot your life. बहुत सारे लोगों को exit plan चाहिए था business से बाहर निकलने का. They used this COVID-19 lockdown to just exit from that business. So that was a good exit plan. Otherwise वो सोच रहे थे कि हम ये decision कैसे लेंगे. वो decision making process उनको COVID-19 ने अच्छा कर दिया. Lot of businesses suffered, like multiplexes suffered a lot of loss, malls suffered a lot of loss, but Amazon, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, they sold a lot. Many movies are now being released on this digital platform. तो किसी के लिए loss था तो किसी के लिए बहुत बड़ी opportunity भी आई. तो Last but not the least, I had shown this video earlier also, but I will show it again, that we have to innovate, not isolate ourselves. Innovation, not isolation, is the key to this change process and success.
हेलो
हेलो मैम। मैम मैं सैमसंग से अमित बात कर रहा हूँ।
जी अमित,
आपने टीवी की कंप्लेन करवाई है?
हाँ हाँ, क्या आप 7 बजे के पहले आ सकते हैं?
जी जी बिल्कुल।
आसमान तेरे संग तू उड़ चला, इन कल कल करती नदियों सा तू बह चला, बह चला, बह चला। मुश्किलें राहों में डूबर के उनको बाहों में तू चल चला, चल चल जहाँ तेरी राह के खिड़कियों से पल पल झांके कि तू रोशनी संग लाएगा।
थोड़ा फंस गया बस, नहीं रहूं।
Why did it stop? Hello, Pooja?
Yes, yes sir. सर पता नहीं अचानक से बंद हो गया था। Sir, 1 second, just give me 1 second.
Okay.
मनोज भैया।
Sir, you can play it again. I suppose there was some technical.
सर I think screen sharing शायद रुक गया क्या? आप एक बार स्क्रीन फिर से शेयर करिए सर।
Yeah, I'm doing that again.
Yeah.
अमित,
जी
आइए आइए, टीवी अंदर है। टाइम पे ठीक तो हो जाएगा ना?
जी मैम।
हो गया?
बस मैम।
हाँ अब ठीक है। चलो 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 जल्दी चलो, शो शुरू होने वाला है, जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी, आराम से। अमित जी रिमोट।
जी
हमारे हॉस्टल की है, और पता है मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड भी।
रिश्ते निभाने के लिए कभी कभी थोड़ा दूर जाना पड़ता है, इसीलिए सैमसंग सर्विस वैन्स जाती हैं देश के कोने कोने तक।
That is what Samsung explains you how things can be innovated, कैसे हम कुछ नया कर सकते हैं. So I will just end my session on presentation on Fragile to Agile with these words. I am simply saying you just need to rewrite your headspace and reconfigure your heart space. So you seriously begin to lead your own world by seeing pure possibility where the majority spots adversity in it. By leveraging your most glamorous talents and capitalizing on your most luminous gifts, which is your own talent. By ascending to become the most brave, the most excellent, most alive and decent person you know, and that is you yourself. And my friends, the super cool thing is that as you do, you will automatically inspire the rest of us to do the same in our own lives. Upgrade your life and you upgrade the world's life. Glorious truth. Am I right? It's a glorious truth. And I give you a new word called as herohood. Herohood is a big thing. नया शब्द मैं आज दे रहा हूँ आपको, हीरोहुड. अपने आप रॉबिन हुड सुना होगा, अब आप हीरोहुड करिए. So with this, I end my presentation on Fragile to Agile. Thank you very much, JCI Guwahati Hunar. Thank you, President Nishant, Pooja, Rajpi Rajesh ji. Thank you very much, Zone 25, for bringing me again close to all my close friends in Zone 25. Thank you very much. Over to you, Pooja.
Thank you so much, sir. This was very wonderful, and the video at the last, जैसे कि हमेशा आपका होता है, the cherry on the cake, that was wonderful, sir. I would request everyone to please switch on their videos once. Now any of the participant can raise their hands, and if there are any queries, you can ask to Yogesh, sir.
Yeah, I'm open for questions if any.
So if any question, just raise your hands. You will be unmuted and you can ask, sir.
I don't think they have any questions. You can even email me or WhatsApp me with my number if you have later on. I have rather given you 3 questions to ponder upon, to think upon, and get answers for yourself.
So I think there are no queries. Thank you, Yogesh, sir. This was a wonderful training and we have learned a lot from you. Since I am your student from this year started from the EPS, this was really wonderful to have you here and learn so many things from you, sir. Now I would like to request our secretary, sir, JC Rishabh Kumar Jain, to please give vote of thanks.
Thank you everyone for getting engaged in such a fruitful and constructive training session. Special thanks to our trainer JC Yogesh Chandak sir, our chief guest JC Rajesh Kumar Saraf sir, our ZP JC Rajesh Kumar Gangwal sir, and all the dignitaries and other members present here today, and made this session a memorable one. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you, all of
thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Stay home.
Thank
Take
you,
care
sir.
of yourself. Thank you. Bye. Take
Thank
care.
you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations to the entire team for the successful first program of this meet.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pankaj Bhaiya.
I request all the members who are present here, please be there tomorrow also. There will be a great session tomorrow. Isha Bhabhi, please do the honors to say again, everyone.
Please, everyone, attend. Just a minute.
I will be present.
I request everyone, please do join tomorrow. We have a very good trainer tomorrow, an international trainer from Singapore, Manish Gupta ji, sir. Please do join for tomorrow's session. It is on business networking.
Yes.
Thank you, Bhabhi. So now we have all the Hunar members only here, I think so.
Tomorrow we need to make a century of the members present.
Sir, please help.
सब लोग जो अभी प्रेजेंट है वो 2-2 जन लेके आ जाए, सेंचुरी अपने आप हो जाएगी।
देखो यहाँ पे दो जन में तो 2-2 है।
वैसे 2 जन नहीं चाहिए भाई, अलग अलग चाहिए।
आयशा अलग से लॉगिन कर लेती ना, 2 पार्ट